8 medical professionals charged with homicide in Diego Maradona's death will go to trial. Diego Maradona, seen here as coach of Argentine side Gimnasia in 2019, died in November 2020, aged 60. CNN, an Argentine judge ruled on Wednesday that 8 medical professionals charged with simple homicide in the death of football legend Diego Maradona will go to the oral trial, according to court documents seen by CNN. The date of the trial has not yet been set. Maradona died, aged 60, from heart failure in November 2020. The same month he underwent successful surgery for a subdural hematoma, more commonly known as a blood clot on the brain. Precursors are alleged. The 8 medical professionals charged in Maradona's death but violated the duties that each one was in charge of, which subsequently led to the fatal outcome of the patient that otherwise could have been avoided, according to a court document. In his Wednesday ruling, Judge Orlando Abel Diaz said the 8 defendants had not acted with the thoroughness demanded by their positions as medical professionals in charge of Maradona's fragile health. The defendants did not take any saving action that could have prevented Maradona's death despite occupying positions of guarantors capable of action and being aware of his situation of risk, Diaz said. The defendant alleged failure to act according to good medical practice fulfilled the legal criteria for malice required to charge them under Article 79 of Argentina's legal code, according to Diaz, meaning they could face 8 to 25 years in prison. In his ruling, Diaz also rejected the 5 petitions for nullities and motions for dismissal by the defendant defense attorneys. The judge also said 2 of the accused would stand trial to face additional charges. Neurosurgeon Leopoldo Luque faces a charge of using a false private document, and psychiatrist Agustina Kosakov faces a charge of ideological falsity, as she is accused of having signed a certificate vouching for Maradona's mental fitness without visiting, according to court documents seen by CNN. Luque's lawyer told CNN Espanol that he rejects the charges brought against him and will appeal the court ruling. CNN has reached out to the Kosakov's lawyer but did not receive an immediate reply. In December 2020, Kosakov's lawyer told CNN that his client had used her best judgment from a medical point of view. CNN's Ben Church, Homero de la Puente, Jack Guy, and Ivan Perez Salmanti contributed to reporting.